go. I've got a leftover MRE packet. I think this is Asian style beef strip. Once that's warmed up, I'm gonna make some of this chicken and rice here. Kind of a funky flavor, but it tastes so good right now. For dessert, I've got one of these shelf life apple turnovers. This thing will last like 20 years before it goes bad or something like that. Couple-year-old apple turnover. Let's see if it's any good. Maybe I'm just hungry, but this thing tastes pretty good.